National Weather Service has issued a flood warning for the following Pennsylvania counties: Lycoming and Sullivan. Effective until 2:49 a.m., the National Weather Service and State College has extended the flood warning for rain and snow melt in Lycoming County in north-central Pennsylvania, Sullivan County in north-central Pennsylvania, until 2:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 12:19 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Emergency Management reported heavy rain and snow melt in the warned area. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Williamsport, Montoursville, Jersey Shore, Muncie, Hughesville, Montgomery, DuBoistown, Loyal Sockville, Barbours, Ralston, Trout Run, Cogan Station, Kettle Creek Gorge, Shunk, Buttonwood, Ellensport, Lincoln Falls, Collinsville, Muncie Valley, and Lairdsville. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Turnaround, Dante Drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night, when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. In hilly terrain there are hundreds of low water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route.